Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I'm sharing a soft and cheesy chicken crepe roll filled with juicy chicken and veggies, perfect for snacks, lunch or evening cravings. Let's start the recipe. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic. Savory crepes are popular street foods across many countries. 2 green chilies. Crepe rolls are easy to customize with different fillings. 1 tablespoon of each green, yellow, and red capsicum. 1 tablespoon boiled corn. Add 1 cup boiled shredded chicken, half teaspoon red chili flakes, and half teaspoon salt. One tablespoon flour and roast for 1 minute. Adding flour to chicken filling helps bind and thicken it. Add half cup milk. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, and 2 teaspoon mayonnaise. Mix well. Cook until all the ingredients will combine. Keep aside. For the crepe batter, add 1 cup flour into a blender. Pour 1 and 1/4 cup of milk, 1 egg, half teaspoon salt. Blend until smooth and pour into a bowl. Keep the crepe batter smooth and lump-free. Grease oil in a pan and pour the batter. Cook on medium heat. Cook crepes on medium heat to avoid dryness. Flip and lightly brush oil. Place the cooked chicken filling on the crepe. Do not overfill the roll to ensure easy folding. Add mozzarella cheese. Fold as shown. Add cheese while the crepe is hot for better melting. Chicken provides lean protein. Homemade crepes use less oil than fried snacks. Fresh vegetables add vitamins and fiber. Portion control makes this a balanced meal option. Your chicken crepe roll is soft, cheesy, and full of flavor. Serve it hot with sauce or salad on the side. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovin Foods for more easy and tasty snacks.